So second part of question 5. So another student has repeated the investigation but doubled the thickness of the insulation. Suggest how the thicker insulation would affect the results of the second student compared with the results of the first. Now, the trick here is to get both marks, because in the time that the experiment runs for, the final temperature would end up lower. And for the second mark, you should say, because of that, the rate of increase is less. So there are two separate marks to get there. Down here, give two advantages of using a data logger and temperature probes compared to a thermometer. Well, yes, you are less likely to make reading mistakes, but also you can see there's the decimal place here. The word you're after for that is resolution. So the difference between the two is that has better resolution than the thermometer. That gets the second mark. And finally here, looking at the table, so you've got four types of insulation. The thermal conductivity here, you want a low thermal conductivity because you don't want the heat to get through. So the felt wool, which was a very common answer, is actually giving out a lot more heat. It's allowing much more heat through than the polyurethane foam. So the answer is the polyurethane foam. Why? Because it's got the least thermal conductivity.